Hello everybody, in this lesson I will discuss a practice example on the area rule. DEFG is a quadrilateral with DE 4,48, DF 6,25, DGT, angle EDF 30 degrees and angle FDG theta. Calculate the area of triangle DEF, the blue triangle. Now, by now you know that you have to write the area rule in terms of two sides and an included angle. So therefore, the area for triangle DEF is equal to a half FD times DE, the sine of angle FDE. And we can substitute. Area equals half 6,25 times 4,48 sine of 30. You slot that into your calculator and the answer is the area of triangle DEF is 7, and then there's no units, therefore you write 7 units squared. Now this question follows on the previous slide. Calculate the area of quadrilateral DEFG. So it's that whole thing in terms of T and theta. Now what does that mean? That means inside your answer I want to see a T and a theta and numbers and whatever you can add there. Now let's start. Do you agree the area of the quadrilateral DEFG will consist of the area triangle FGD, it's this big triangle over there on the left, plus the area of triangle DEF. Now let's zoom in on the area of triangle FGD, the one with the red star in. Again, we have to write down the area rule in terms of the given information, and can you see it will be the included angle theta and then the two sides that makes that angle an included angle. Therefore its area triangle FGD is equal to a half times GD times FD, the sine of theta, and then you can substitute half times GD was given as T, FD was the 6,25 sine theta. Then area triangle DEF was, we worked that one out in the previous slide, it was 7 units squared. Therefore, the total area of quadrilateral DEFG is then 3,125. Stop. Where does that come from? I said a half times 6,25 times T times sin theta plus the 7. In the next lesson, I will discuss the sine rule. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.